we're gonna call this project the 50% kitchen. It's just a silly name that I came up with, the 50% kitchen. But look, today was a load-in day here, and basically what that means is first day on scene. Show up, bring your equipment, look at the problem, put together a solution. We already knew that we needed to tear out half the drywall in this kitchen, and here we are at the end of the day, and that's done. Half the drywall in this kitchen is now vámonos. That's a door. Behind that door, there's no drywall. And the new drywall, green board, all wet board. This had regular drywall in it. We're going to come back in with wet board, even though it don't need it everywhere. Little upgrade for him. Good buddy of mine, good customer of mine. We're going to do it right. We're going to come back in all wet board throughout this entire kitchen. Bottom half. There's Jeremy. But yeah, day one of the 50% kitchen is complete. If you need painting, remodeling, restoration, I know our business name says ExtraPrep Pro Painting, but you could add remodeling, you could add restoration onto the end of that, because I'm constantly doing that stuff. There's not much that me and my guys don't know how to do as far as interiors and exteriors, rebuild, remodel, restore. We pretty much can do it. So let's see what day two brings tomorrow here at the 50% kitchen. I'm Anthony Ford, ExtraPrep Pro Painting. Website is extrapreppro.com. Press book a free quote or call 859-815-0652. It's painting and deck season here in Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky, and now I'm excited.